Welcome to the how-to video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will explore together how to use the camera function available in the Datatronic 5. Depending on your tractor model, you may have a factory-installed camera, or you can order a camera kit from your dealer. You simply need to connect this camera to the rear of the Datatronic 5 or the FieldStar 5. To start, access the camera page from the main menu. The camera menu has a panel located on the right side of the screen that offers several functionalities. Click on the Settings menu at the bottom right. Two buttons and a slider will appear at the top of the screen. These are the brightness and contrast settings. Select the brightness setting and adjust its value using the slider. Then select the contrast setting and adjust its value using the slider. Once the adjustments are made, click again on the Settings button to hide the adjustment tools. You also have the option to display the connected camera on the terminal automatically when you shift into reverse. To do this, activate the Auto Reverse Display button. Open any other menu, then shift the power control lever to reverse. The camera will display automatically. The camera function disappears as soon as you shift back to neutral or forward drive. The last available function is the Mirror function. Click on the Mirror View button to reverse the image. Now that you are familiar with the camera function, it's your turn to try.